In this video, I'm going to tackle the issue of Google Forms, and I want to deal with the issue of which sections do you go to based on the answers you give to a question. So it is conditional. The section you're going to answer is conditional. So to start off, I've gone to this URL, which is drive.google.com. Then I'll click on new, then form right there. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a form, and I'm going to call it a survey form. And you can put a description if you want. So this is my first question, and my survey is about driving or riding a bicycle. So the first question I'm going to ask my users is drive a car or ride a bicycle? And it's going to be a multi-choice question. And I'm giving answers yes and no. So I'm going to add a hint for answering, where I'll say answer yes if you drive, and no if you ride. Okay? So with that out of the way, this is my first question. So if the answer is yes, I want them to go to a different section. So that means I need to create sections for drive a car and another section for riding a bicycle. So to add a section, I'll hover to the buttons on my right here. You can see the word add section. So I'll add a section. The name of the section, I'm going to call it drive a car. Then I need to add a question here, which will have a short answer. And the question will be, what car do you drive? Then I need to add another section for riding a bicycle. Ride a bicycle. And the question will be, what bicycle do you ride? What type of bicycle do you ride? The short answer, you just tell us what type of bicycle you ride. The first question is, do you drive a car or ride a bicycle? Answer yes if you drive, and no if you ride. If I answer yes, I want it to take me to section 2, which is with driving a car. And if you answer no, I want it to skip section 2 and go to section 3, which talks about riding a bicycle. So maybe lastly, I can add another section, which can be a section of comments before you submit the form. And I'll add comments like so, which is a paragraph. then we submit our form. So to add those conditions, do you drive a car? If you answer yes, I need to come here and put conditions that you go to section 2. And if it is no, you go to section 3 of riding a bicycle. So to do that, I'll come on this question, which click on the 3 dots here, go to section based on answer. I'll click that. Here I can say continue to the next section, and the next section is about the car. So this can work, or I can say go to section 2, which section 2 deals with driving a car. If the answer is no, I'm going to say go to section 3, and section 3 will deal with riding a bicycle. After this, section 2, I need to indicate that go to the section 4. Do you drive? Go to section 4. And also down here, it will go to the next section, or I say go to section 4, which is the last section. So let's see whether this one works. You drive a car? Yes. Takes me to the section of driving. What car do you drive? A Mercedes-Benz. I enter it there. Go to the next. Takes me to the last section of submit. So I clear my form. Go back. I want to test whether the bicycle works. Do you drive or ride a bicycle? Yes to drive and no to ride. I say no. So I expect it to take me to the section of riding a bicycle. I say next. Rightly so, it takes me to the section of riding a bicycle, and next should be submit, and it is working fine. So this is how you can use conditions in determining which section you go to based on the answer given to a particular question on the section you're on. I hope this has been helpful, and if so, please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Give me comments, hit the notification button, and see you in the next video. Have a great day.